Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to do a driving license renewal. Before even I proceed, remember to subscribe, like and share. Give us a comment on what to cover. I'll take you through the process of driving license renewal. First, you need to have taken a passport so that those are the requirements that you need so that to renew driving license renewal. So you need to go to your browser where you go under e-citizen portal. You put in your credentials, then you log into eCitizen homepage. Then I've already signed into my eCitizen page. I'll go straight to under the apply for a driving license category. I'll tap there. It will redirect me to the driving license renewal page. Then I'll click continue. It will open my driving license page where it has a tab over there: home, service, application, inspection and notification. You can see my driving license indicates on a red button expired, so I'll click renewal. It will get me to the other step. This is the renewal part of it. Now for the renewal of driving license, there's two options. For those people who are using the red book, they have the option. For the guys who are having the smart card driving license, they will have the option. For this particular case, my driving license is the red book, so I'll click over there. Then I'll scroll down. Then I'll key in my place of birth, then my blood group, then the country where I come from, the physical address where the county that I come from, then my physical address that I usually use. Then I'll attach a passport photo where I'll choose the file to the storage where I've stored the passport. Then I'll wait for the photo to upload. Then I'll click renew. Now it will take me to the other page that's where I'll do the payment. The renewal of the driving license for the red book is $650 annually. For the smart DL is $30.50 for a period of 3 years. Then I'll choose the option that I want to use to pay. Then I'll choose M-Pesa. It has two options when coming to pay. When you already have the cash in the phone that you have already linked with your citizen, you just use the first part. Then it has the other option where you can do directly to go to your M-Pesa app. Then you key in the business number, then the account number there. For my case, I have cash on a different line, so I use the second option where I'll key in the business number as 22222, then the account number. Then I key in the amount, then my M-Pesa pin. Then I'll wait for the confirmation message to get back to my phone. Then I'll confirm. I'll click confirm. Then the system is checking the payment if it has been successfully been deducted. Then it takes me to the other page where it has already generated my driving license, where it has the download option. Then it will show you the service, the categories, the renewal date, what, and the current users and the amount that have been charged. Then I'll go to the download option where I'll get my driving license where it has been system generated. With the red book, guys, they don't need to be carrying the red book, so you can just print out the copy. It has a template of the look like of the new DL template, so you just need to download. Then you print, then you can laminate. And the new card for the red book, guys, that they have been generated, it has the template for the smart card DL, so it shows you the period where you are issued the driving license, the expiring period, and the categories of the vehicles that you are supposed or you have done the classes for. So it indicates, so the difference between the smart DL and the red book is just that the renewal period. For the red book, they are renewing it yearly, that is annually. And for the smart DL guys, they are doing it as a period of 3 years. That charges for the 1 year $650, for the 3 years is $30.50. That's my homepage. Under my driving license, it has other options where you maybe want to apply for a PSV badge, endorse a PDL if you are an instructor, a copy of the DL drive for the application of provisional licenses, and so many other. If you have any car that is registered your name, it will be just show up in your home page. So I'll just go back to my homepage, and I'll confirm if my driving license is already renewed. Now you can check it has the status is on a green button, or it indicates it's valid. Now my driving license will be valid for 1 year. You can check, on the homepage it can also show you how many driving license years you have. I have 13 years, what. I have driving points, 20 points, and the classes that I'm driving. I think the driving license renewal is done. I hope, guys, the video was educative and is of value. Leave us a comment and tell us what to cover. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.